Welcome to the enchanting world of sewing, where fabric becomes your canvas and creativity knows no bounds. Whether you're eyeing that stylish DIY project or dreaming of sewing your first pair of pants, choosing the right sewing machine is the first step in your craft adventure. But fear not, dear aspiring seamstresses and seamsters. We've rounded up the best sewing machines for beginners that won't leave you in stitches. Unless, of course, they're the ones you're sewing. Let's thread the needle on this exciting journey. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Want a deeper dive? Check out our website, TopPicksNow.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our latest picks. Let's jump into it. Number 5, Brother XM 2701, our pick for best budget sewing machine for beginners. If you're ready to leap into the thrilling, fabric-filled realm of sewing without emptying your wallet, the Brother XM 2701 sewing machine is your ultimate partner in crime. Think of it as that overzealous friend who sees potential in every scrap of fabric. Just as eager and adorable as a puppy with a new squeaky toy, setting up the XM 2701, a total piece of cake. The Quick Start Guide is so simple that even your cat might offer a approving head nod as you dive in. And when you're feeling ambitious, ready to conquer that quilt or whip up a chic new outfit, there's a detailed 52-page manual waiting to transform you into the sewing wizard you were always meant to be. With 27 stitch options at your fingertips, switching styles is smoother than flipping channels during your favorite guilty pleasure binge. And let's not forget that jam-resistant drop-in bobbin to say goodbye to pesky thread tangles that threaten to ruin your creative mojo. You'll be left wondering why you didn't jump into sewing sooner. With a price that makes your wallet breathe a sigh of relief, the XM 2701 deserves a solid 5 out of 5 for value. So gather those fabrics, let your creativity reign, and unleash your inner sewing champion. Because yes, you can totally rock this. Embrace the magic of stitching and get ready to create some serious fabric magic. Number 4. Singer M 1500, our pick for best lightweight and portable sewing machine for beginners. If you're ready to dive into the delightful world of sewing, let me introduce you to your ultimate sidekick, the Singer M 1500. This featherweight champ of portable sewing machines is like having a personal sewing studio on your countertop. With a whopping 57 stitch applications at your fingertips, you'll be whipping up fabulous outfits, piecing together quilts, or tackling mending tasks with the grace of a seasoned seamstress. Selecting stitches? Oh, it's as easy as pie. The intuitive stitch selector dial makes choosing your style a total breeze. No more head scratching, just spin and sew. Thanks to the preset stitch length and width, you can strut your stuff with the confidence of a runway model on the catwalk. But that's not all. Need a buttonhole? The 4-step process will turn you into a fashionista faster than you can say, "so chic." Threading? It's child's play, with handy guides that make it a cinch. With its sturdy metal frame, the AV 1500 is here for the long haul, ready to withstand all your creative whims. Oh, and did I mention the Stay Bright LED lighting? Your sewing space will shine brighter than your dream wardrobe. Plus, it comes with all the essentials to get you started. So what are you waiting for? Unleash your inner designer and dazzle the world with your stitching prowess. Still on the hunt for that ideal sewing machine for beginners? No worries, more gems are coming up. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and tap the bell to stay in the loop. New videos are always around the corner. Number 3, Singer Heavy Duty 4423, our pick for best high-speed sewing machine for beginners. If you're ready to channel your inner sewing superstar, let me introduce you to the Singer Heavy Duty 4423, a high-speed magic machine that'll have you sewing like a pro, even if you're still figuring out which way is up. With 97 stitch applications, you'll have everything you need to whip up basic seams, flaunt fancy decorative stitches, and conquer the legendary one-step buttonhole. Forget about the days of straining your eyes to thread a needle. The automatic needle threader will have you ready to sew in a snap, leaving frustration in the dust. This little dynamo zooms through your projects at a turbocharged 1100 stitches per minute, powered by a motor that's 60% stronger than standard machines. Tackling everything from tough denim to airy chiffon is a piece of cake. Built to endure, it features a heavy-duty metal frame and stainless steel bed that practically screams, "I'm here to stay." And let's not overlook the accessories. The 4423 comes equipped with an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, buttonhole foot, and more, all perfectly arranged in the accessory tray, ready for action. You'll finally know where that elusive bobbin is hiding, thanks to the clear cover that keeps you in the loop. With the Stay Bright LED lighting illuminating your creative space, shadows won't stand a chance. So buckle up and get ready to stitch your dreams into reality with the Singer Heavy Duty 4423. Each seam a leap towards your next masterpiece. Number 2. Brother CS 7000X, our pick for best quilting sewing machine for beginners. If you're ready to unleash your inner sewing superstar, let me introduce you to your new sidekick, the Brother CS 7000X computerized sewing and quilting machine. Seriously, this beauty is the ultimate beginner's buddy that will have you sewing like a pro faster than you can say stitch and whir, threading the bobbin, child's play. In just over 4 minutes, you'll have that sucker threaded thanks to the instructional manual laden with helpful illustrations. And let's talk about that gorgeous LCD screen, showcasing a dazzling array of 70 stitches. Hello, quilting options. It's basically a stitch party waiting for you to RSVP. But wait, it gets even better. With 10 presser feet, including a free motion quilting foot and a quilt guide, you'll feel like a fabric wizard in no time. Plus that quilt table. It transforms your little corner into a quilting haven. And the features? Oh, let's just say this machine deserves a solid 5 out of 5 stars. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin mean no more frustrating tangles ruining your groove. At this price, you're scoring an absolute steal. After rigorous testing, we're convinced you'll be hooked. So grab your fabric, ignite your creativity, and let the Brother CS 7000X whisk you away on a delightful stitching journey. Before we reveal our top pick, take a look at the links in the description for the most up-to-date deals. If you're enjoying this content, hit subscribe and stay informed on the best products on the market. Number 1. Brother XR 3774, our pick for best sewing machine for beginners overall. If you've ever found yourself in a tangled mess of thread and fabric, cursing the day you decided to take up sewing, let me introduce you to your new best buddy, the Brother XR 3774. This isn't just a sewing machine, it's your personal stitching superhero. With 37 built-in stitches at your disposal, from fancy decorative options to blind hems, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Goodbye boring projects, worried about threading needles? Not a problem. The XR 3774 features an automatic needle threader that does all the heavy lifting for you. Just sit back and marvel at its genius. And don't even get me started on the jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin. It's the stuff of sewing dreams, letting you focus on creativity rather than fiddling around. But wait, there's more. This delightful machine comes with a cozy cover, a spacious wide table that's begging for your grand projects, and a dazzling array of 8 sewing feet to tackle every task like a pro. The versatile free arm opens up a world of possibilities, whether you're crafting quilts that would make grandma proud or adorable outfits for your pets. Whether you're just starting out or have a few projects under your belt, the Brother XR 3774 is your golden ticket to a world of sewing wonder. And that's a wrap. If you had half as much fun watching our list of best sewing machines for beginners as we did putting it together, hit that like button and show some love with a subscribe. Thinking of picking one? Tell us which in the comments. Which product had you saying, "I need this"? Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.